Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find items from the highlights category in the Bimba Lola application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the menu. Press on it. And here you should select the second option, which is highlights. And here you can just select the category like Chihuahua bag or beach or gifts. And after pressing on one of the categories, you will be able to find the clothing items in that category in this page. And if you want to apply filters, you can just look at the top of your right corner. There you will find them. You can select, you can sort them here by, for example, price low to high. You can select a size, a color, and you can also set a price range if you want to. After that, you can just press apply down below. And seems like in this case there was no product found, but if you apply different filters, you might be able to find the product that you want. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.